Honey, you know what? I woke up this morning, I'm feeling so grateful and thankful. Okay? Honey, wherever you are, I'm here to tell you is better, is getting better. Okay? Now, I highly recommend you guys get a gratitude journal. Okay? Get it from Dollar Tree, chill. Now, speaking of Dollar Tree, this paste right here, this is a multi-purpose cleaning paste. Okay? My sink, you know how your sink have like the scratches and stuff in here? Okay. I put some of this. Hold on, child. Hold on. Make sure I'm right. I put some cleaning stuff like this, okay, on here. I just go in like this, child. Somebody may say, Dina, that is too much germ cleaning paste. Tomato Dollface. Okay? All right. Now, so I take this and I go in the sink. Okay. So this sink had so much. You see this scratch right here? And you may be like, Dina, that little thing. When I tell you this stuff is good. All up here, honey. You just ever been in a cleaning mood? You wake up, you're singing, stand by me, flow, stand by me. All right. Okay, that stuff coming off. Now these won't come off, honey. Those are indented. Okay. Really, really good. But when I tell you this stuff is good, 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 honey, I feel like having church today. Okay? Like, you know, like Sister Shirley. When I tell you this stuff is good, ooh, this is really the dupe, right? This is really the dupe from the pink stuff. Okay, let's see. This is great for granite countertops, washer and dryers, mold and mildew, soap scum, mineral deposits, grills, stove tops, ovens, pots and pans, glass and silverware, chrome and tile, shower, sink and toilets. Okay, honey, if you don't know about this, I'm gonna need you to know about it. I'm gonna need you to know about it. I'm gonna need you to know about it. All right. You ready for the magic? DJ, run the water. Honey, look at this. Honey, look at this. Honey, look at this. Honey, look at God. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Honey, look at it. Honey, this sink is like brand new. This sink is brand new. This sink is brand new.